Alone at last. Hey, guess what? I think I'm parked in the red zone. Now, where were we?
Told you. I don't know anything about any fucking setup. I've only been on the force 8 months. They don't tell me anything. They don't tell me shit. You can torture me all you want.
Torture you? Hey, that's a good idea. I like that one, yeah.
Even your boss said that wasn't a setup.
My what?
Your boss.
Excuse me, pal. One thing I want to make clear to you, right? I don't have a boss. Nobody tells me what to do, you understand? You hear what I said, you son of a bitch?
You're the boss, all right.
All right. Look it. I'm not going to bullshit you, okay? I don't really give a good fuck what you know, what you don't know. I'm going to torture you anyway. Regardless. Not to get information, you know, it amuses me to torture a cop. You can say whatever you want, because I heard it all before. All you can do is pray for a quick death, which you ain't gonna get. Hey, you ever listen to K. Billy's Super Sounds of the 70s? It's my personal favorite, you know? Come on.